In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create forms in Notion step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Notion forms are incredibly useful for collecting responses, feedback, client details, surveys, or internal requests, all directly inside your Notion workspace. You don't need any third-party tools, and everything stays organized automatically. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future Notion tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. To get started, open Notion and create a new page just like you normally would. You can do this from the sidebar by clicking on the plus icon. Once the new page opens, click anywhere on the page and type /form, then select the form option from the menu. This instantly creates a Notion form connected to a database in the background. Next, click on the title at the top of the form and give it a meaningful name. This could be something like contact form, feedback form, job application, or anything that fits your use case. Naming your form clearly makes it easier to find later, especially if you plan on creating multiple forms in the same workspace. After that, you can personalize your form by adding an icon at the top. Click on Add Icon and choose an emoji or upload a custom icon. This step is optional, but it helps your form look more professional and easier to recognize at a glance. Now let's start editing the questions. Click directly on any existing question to rename it. You can type in whatever question you want, such as name, email address, feedback, or project details. To change how a question works, click on the Edit option next to the question. From here, you can adjust settings like whether the question is required. Next, click on the Question Type dropdown. This is where you choose the format of the response. You can select options like short text, long text, number, select, multi-select, date, or even file upload, depending on what kind of information you want to collect. Go through each question and rename them clearly so respondents know exactly what to enter. Keep the wording simple and direct to increase completion rates. To add more questions, click the plus icon below the existing ones. Each time you click it, you can choose a new question format. Select the format you want, then rename the question just like before. Repeat this process until your form includes all the questions you need. Once your form is ready, it's time to share it. Click on the Share Form button at the top. Notion will generate a shareable link for your form. Copy this link and share it with anyone you want, whether that's via email, social media, or embedded on a website. All responses will automatically be saved inside Notion, neatly organized in the connected database. And that's it. You've successfully created and shared a form in Notion. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's learning Notion. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.